have 2 candy cane crafting ideas that are easy and affordable, so stay tuned. First, we are going to make candy cane characters. For this project, you only need 4 items, all from the Dollar Tree. You need a plastic candy cane, 2 tinsel characters, and zip ties. If the character is not the color of your zip ties, like this Christmas tree, you can cover it with a pipe cleaner that is that color to disguise it. For project number 2, I have spray painted a wooden dowel from Walmart white. Trace the approximate size of the dowel on the ornament and make the hole with your hot glue gun or heat tool. Make sure the hole is just slightly smaller than the dowel so you have a good snug fit. You're going to add a good bit of hot glue to ensure that there are no sharp edges sticking out. So you will want to let each section dry several minutes before moving on to the next section. This is day 4 of the 7 days of Christmas, so you want to make sure you are subscribed and your notification preferences are set so you don't miss out on the last 3 DIYs. I have to tell you, I'm saving the best for last. You are great and make today great on purpose. I love you.